Bakit po ako pipirma sa isang dokumento na hindi ko naman po alam ang detalye? First, I am saddened by the zero budget given to PhilHealth. As chairman of the Committee on Health, advocacy ko po ang health. Dapat po ang pondo ng PhilHealth ay para sa health. Kaya nga po, PhilHealth. Lessons learned dapat tayo sa pandemya. We should invest more in health. Katumbas po yan ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya dapat bigyan po natin ng priority ang health. While we acknowledge that PhilHealth has still billions in reserve funds, sabi nila 500 billion as discovered and discussed in 5 hearings conducted by the Committee on Health. Subsidy from the national government may still be needed to implement necessary reforms and improvements in its benefit packages. Huwag naman zero budget. Sa huli, ang mga mahihirap na pasyente na naman ang kawawa dyan. We kept on urging PhilHealth to expand its benefit packages, especially for top 10 mortality diseases, increase case rates, scrap its restrictive policies like the 24-hour confinement policy, cover additional services like dental. Tinupad na nila yung dental recently, optometric services and assistive device. Paano po magbe-benefit ang mga pasyente kung zero ang budget ng PhilHealth? I also want to highlight that Republic Act 11223 or the Universal Healthcare UHC law also mandates that the amount necessary to implement the provisions of the UHC shall be included in the GAA. Ito po yung nakolekta noong 2023. Dapat po yung nakalaan po ito para sa 2025 and shall be appropriated under the DOH and the national government subsidy to PhilHealth. May pinanggalingan na po yan tulad ng sin tax collections na dapat ay para sa implementation po ng UHC. Nasa batas po yan. May earmarking po yan under Republic Act 11346 at Republic Act 11467 or the sin tax law. There is also a provision in the UHC Act that premium subsidy for direct contributors shall be included annually in the General Appropriations Act. Bigyan sana natin ng maayos at sapat na budget ang PhilHealth at hikayatin ang PhilHealth na i-maximize ang paggamit ng kanilang pondo para sa kanilang mga health-related programs and services. At dapat sana kung ano ang budget na nawala sa PhilHealth, dapat sana ay mapunta sana sa health. Ang budget ng health dapat para sa health. Hindi ko alam kung saan napunta ang 74 billion na dapat sana para sa PhilHealth at para sa health. Kung may tinanggal na budget sa PhilHealth, dapat kulang. Kung may tinanggal na budget sa PhilHealth dahil kulang ang benepisyo na binibigay nito, dapat sa health programs din po ilagay ito. Dapat hindi po sa iba. I also want to highlight the decrease in the budget of the AFP modernization program from the 50 billion approved in the Senate. Tinaasan natin dito sa Senado from the 40 billion approved in the House, naging 35 billion na lang po. As I manifested during the plenary deliberations, importante po ang modernization ng AFP para mapanatili ang kapayapaan at seguridad ng bansa. Anyway, kahit may reservation po ako, nakakalungkot. Just want to put that on record. Thank you, Mr. President.